Curry leaf plant is a summer's plant, winter is its dormancy time period. So in this video we will see how you can care for curry leaf plant in winters. So let's begin and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important curry leaf plant winter care tip is to understand its growing season. It's a tropical area plant, requires a little warm area to grow well. But as the temperature changes in winters, the cool wind causes a shock to the plant and its leaves turns yellow and a young plant can die too. The growing season of curry leaf plant starts in the early springs and continues until the ending summers. The winter's cool environment is very unideal for curry leaf plant. The best way to save your plant in winters is to move it indoors, or you can also place it under the shade of a big plant where the frost can't fall on it. Another key thing for growing a curry leaf plant in winters is its soil media. An unideal mixture causes many problems on curry leaf plant. On the other hand, if your soil media is ideal, plant will be able to pass the winter days very easily. Curry leaf plant likes a well-draining and a soft mixture. Such a mixture helps the plant to grow in an odd environment. If your soil is already good enough, then you don't need to do anything. But if it's not, then you should use a good soil media. A simple soil recipe is also added in the description below, you can follow that. Another important curry leaf plant growing tip is to place it in an ideal spot. Curry leaf plant is an outdoor plant, grow well in a full day of sunlight, but in winters that much of sunlight is not available, and if you keep it outdoors then the cool breeze can put your plant in a shock. In winters the best spot to place curry leaf plant is a shaded spot, means an area with a lot of light. Plant won't have to grow in the dormancy time period. It's a time where it's resting, so sunlight is not required. Just make sure your plant isn't placed under the sky, and do subscribe for more videos. Another important curry leaf plant winter care tip is the fertilizer. As we already know, plant is under dormancy, so fertilizer have no use in this case. Fertilizer is required when the plant is growing and need nutrients, but in winters plant is resting and nutrients are not required, and if you keep fertilizing it in winters, this can kill your plant. As soon as the spring season starts, you can start fertilizing your plant. A good and a balanced fertilizer is very ideal for curry leaf plant. You can also make such a fertilizer at home. Video on this fertilizer is added in the description below. Another key thing in curry leaf plant winter care is the proper watering. Watering properly in winters is the most difficult task for a beginner. The simplest way to water is to wait until the soil looks dry. If your soil is not drying, maybe from a week or even months, there is no need to water. You only need to water when the soil looks a little dry. Make sure the drainage holes are opened and your soil media is not water blocking. In the growing season, we also do pruning of curry leaf plant, which is very healthy. But in the winters, pruning is not useful at all. It's the resting time of the plant, and cutting or trimming of its shoots won't provide you any new shoots. Pruning is always done in the growing season, never in the dormancy period. So just don't prune your curry leaf plant. Common issues that you will find on curry leaf plant in winters are yellow leaves, browning tips, a stunted growth, etc. And all of these are totally natural. Winter season is a time period when your plant is most weak. Any kind of stress can cause extreme effects. Overwatering, repotting, frequent fertilization and pruning all should be avoided in the winter season. If you see any kind of pest attack like mealybugs, spider mites, leaf miners, etc., immediately use Neem spray. Video on making Neem spray is linked right here. Feel free to follow this guide and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.